Hey everybody, I'm Nate.
And I'm Justin.
And tonight we're going to teach you how to make pasta from scratch. Did I say pasta right? I feel like I didn't say it right.
Here's what you'll need to get started. We'll have our 4 eggs here. We've got 12 ounces of all-purpose white flour, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of finely grated sea salt, and a little bit of water for when the dough gets dry.
And don't forget tonight you're going to need a bowl for mixing, a clean surface for kneading, and a KitchenAid stand mixer with pasta attachments to roll and cut the dough.
Step 1. Mix your dry ingredients, your flour and your salts.
While you're waiting for your pasta dough to chill, you can be getting your KitchenAid stand mixer ready with your pasta attachments. We're going to be starting with the pasta roller. Okay, we're almost to the fun part, but first we've got to place our dough on a well-floured surface, and then we're going to use our bench scraper to cut it into 4 equal parts. It's just taking me longer than expected.
That is how you make and cook homemade pasta.
That's it.